how does somebody, like if Ryan says, Priscilla, you're my friend, I want to get into real estate tomorrow and I have no idea, what would you tell me?
Okay, so first things first is how much capital do you have available to put in? What can you qualify for on a mortgage? So that's a good starting point. And if you don't have enough capital to purchase something, even if it's a small property in a smaller city, then do a JV, join up with somebody. I mean, I've had so many people get together. Half of something is better than all of nothing, right? If you're gonna wait 3, 4, 5 years to save up a down payment, guess what? That property that was $400,000 today is now $550,000. You've missed out that delta, that $150,000, right? You wanna get in as soon as possible. The best time to buy real estate is actually yesterday. So
yeah, I love that.
Group together, there's whether it's a friend, a family member. I've bought real estate with family. It's worked out very well. It's all legal. It's all good. Everything's done through the lawyers. But the first step is to look at how much capital do you have, and if it's not enough to afford something, then you got to join in with someone and pool your funds and purchase your first property. In a few years, that property goes up in value. You guys sell that, and now you've each got enough to move on, to do your own thing. So, yeah, partnership and people, that's going to be your best resource if you don't have the capital. If you do have the capital, some people have the capital, maybe they've got blemished credit history, right? They don't have good enough credit to get a mortgage. That's again where joining in with someone comes in, right? You join in with someone, maybe someone's got good credit, maybe they don't have a stable job to get a mortgage, but the two of you guys together on an application, now you guys can buy something. So it's really about that creativity. And like I said, I had so many clients who, I was forced to learn how to get creative because I didn't have, clients with just family money, just handing them a house or handing them cash, right? So we really get creative and use those resources, whether it's people or cash. There's also a lot of different programs people don't know about. If you're in Canada, you can take out an RSP, and in 90 days you can withdraw that RSP and use that to buy a property. And construction, there's just so many different avenues. You really